Alright YouTube, it's time for a second video on my Camaro front end repairs and ZL1 front bumper conversion. It's actually just a front bumper conversion lookalike. It's the styling design from Fast Tech Performance ZL1 front bumper look kit. But as you can see here, I got some goodies from Harbor Freight, some lifting slings, a cable puller, so I can get rid of this. That hood gap. Look at this tape from front to back. Nice, fairly nice fit in the back. But because of this impact, I'm gonna have to pull the radiator support forward. So I'm gonna have to get creative with that, guys. Straighten out the impact support brackets. This is where I'm at with things. Get the porter power hooked up, some C-clamps so I can put force where I want it. This big beautiful white Dodge. There's an anchoring post. That's Dana's truck. Say hi, Dana. 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 Alright, so this is where I'm at now. I got the new crash bar on, I got the upper radiator support straightened a little bit. Or I'm sorry, just the radiator core support straightened a little bit. My upper radiator support, well, bumper mount, dealing them a fuck bob. I don't know what the fuck to call it, it's hot as shit out here. Anyways, the wiring kit that came with the bumper, Fast Tech Performance. It's got a nice relay, all the plugs, and it comes with a bunch of zip ties and some instructions to tell you how to do it. Okay? Alright, that's probably the last chunk for the day. Big pile of old smashed Camaro parts. Everything looks free smashed Camaro parts that are more of a pain in the ass to use. And it's worth to buying something new, then let me know. You can have that shit. You're wondering how the progress is coming for the day. Well, here's my hood. It's just set on there. I got the gap tightened up just a little bit. Got the track spec vent just sitting on top for now, so I can kind of get a gist for how it's going to look on there. I got the bumper sitting in front of it, new headlights on there. I've got the fog lights installed, the wiring is actually installed, and I have here a pile of parts to paint. So I need to get down to the store. This might sound corny, but I use spray paint for shit. Whatever. This is the big beautiful Dodge truck that I was using to pull my bumper straight. This concludes today. Good night, YouTubers. I hate you all.